Namaste and welcome to KADEC Learning Series. This video shows highlights of KBE Workshop organized on 27th September for KADEC champion users. We covered basic and advanced functionality of variable table and rules. So the agenda was basically variable table naming, sequencing, calculations, logical expressions, validations, lookup tables, then the variable dependency, and then the automating of input specifications and iterative calculations. So basically, there are no specific naming rules for CADEC. You can have any combination of alphanumerics. CADEC variables are not case sensitive. Only thing is, it is better to avoid one variable as a word used in another variable name. And CADEC checks the syntax while saving it. Then there is no need for maintaining any sequence of variable definition. When conceptualizing, you can go on defining a variables in any sequence, but later on for debugging purpose, it is better to do sequencing of variables for better maintaining of the variable logic. You can also use import export from Excel and to Excel for easy modifications of the variable table. Then value calculation is a one-step process in CADEC, but you can make it two-step by using overriding variables. Uh, uh, the only way of crashing CADEC is if you have defined recursive variables, that is, which call each other, which of course should be avoided. Then you can define any complex logical expressions using any combinations of if and or, and you can relate the left hand side and right hand side using equal to, less than, equal, greater than. Then UI generation is also an important function of variable tables and rules, and validation generation also. Then care validation is to specify that value of the variable is non-numeric. Uh, then range validation is to check if the value is within range or not. It can be used for dependent variables also. Series validation is to choose the nearest higher or lower value. Then size lookup can be used for uh, variables which don't have any formula. You just want to use any uh, standard value sets. Shape lookup is again standard value sets dependent on the shape variables. Then input specific input are defined as values to be shown if a particular input is chosen. Then option specific input are the values to be hidden. I mean, if you use any option, then some values in other option should be hidden. Option specific options is the values to be shown, and option specific classifications are the classifications to be hidden if you choose any value in a classification. Then there can be size shape bidirectional dependency. You can have shape validation which makes the size variable driven by shape, and vice versa using driven shape validation. Layout DB is reusing previous specifications, and import specs is like importing the specifications from some Excel file, and iterative calculations or array variables can be defined using user defined functions. Thank you.